We are already in talk with all industries that are dealing with this kind of materials. And we are already in talk, and we have actually been certified by Kenya Bureau of Standards, so that the material is now ready to be given out.
This is really going to lower the cost of construction of the buildings, construction of the roads by between 30 to 40% through our calculation. And in terms of environmental, compatibility, this is an ecologically friendly material that we are working on, or we are giving to the community. The soil cement hardeners that can be used to pave our roads, construct other dams, and do soil blocks for the housing.